Good morning. Hey, welcome back. It's really good to see y'all. Hey, it's Christmas. Wake up. Welcome to Pickles. Fire edition. We're gonna burn it. We're gonna burn stuff. Welcome to Pickles, Christmas edition. You guessed it. Today, we're gonna be making pickles in a snow globe. A fun gift for any family member. All right, step number one, we're just gonna get in there. We gotta get this bad boy open. Oop. I hope it's supposed to hold water. It's a snow globe. It says glass snow globe. Wait, what? Okay. Not intended for use with water. Who makes a snow globe that's not intended for water? Well, whatever. We came this far. Huh. You know what? We're just gonna get all our solids ready. I don't know. Who's ever heard of a dry snow globe? All right. We're just gonna chop this bad boy a little bit. We're gonna take 1/4 of the bell pepper. The rest is just for general consumption. We're gonna just give this a little dice because we want some pops of red. It's Christmas, you know? So we got our red Christmas color. I'm just gonna put it in the bowl for now. Next step is garlic. And I'm just gonna crush this garlic up because, you know, there's a 75% chance that this thing doesn't even hold water. Probably more than that. It's probably more higher percentage than 70. Probably 90. For being for real. You say 50-50? I don't know if you felt how flimsy this was. I was wondering why this was $5. All right, we're just gonna crush it in the jar. I guess that's our snow. Jalapenos, you guys know how I feel about jalapenos. They're magical and delicious. We're gonna get some seeds in there because it's Christmas, you know? Some Christmas spice. So it's like 50% jalapeno. Now don't touch your eyes. You're not gonna wanna do that. More Christmas. Add some dill in there. A few sprigs because it's Christmas. Now we're gonna get to our spices, all right? We're gonna add some mustard seed. Extra things to float around in this jar when it's snowy. Caraway seeds in the jar. Probably good. Not measuring anything, guys. Just do whatever your heart feels. Celery seed in the jar. That looks good. Then we have some peppercorns. Peppercorns going in the jar. A little Christmas spirit goes in there. 1 crusty bay leaf. The crustier, the better. Look. 1 crusty bay leaf. I think our snow globe needs a little bit more red. So I'm gonna cut another section. Now it's time for some more Christmas green. And guys, don't be angry with me. They're not Kirby cucumbers. They're cute cucumbers. But I feel like this whole process was designed to fail, so I feel like it doesn't really matter what color they are. But they're cute. Spa day.
Have you washed your hands yet?
I can't feel anything besides the relaxation of cucumbers in my eyes. Oh, those are going in there. I love cucumbers. Wow, that's looking like Christmas. to our pot. Mix it. We're pushing the limits one more. Oh shoot. Now, we're gonna add our vinegar. And just get some of that action. That's a lot. That was more than I should have put in there. I mean, that works as a snow globe. I'm gonna fill this with water. BRB. Yeah, I feel like it's turning into like a 4% chance that this works. You still think it's 50-50, huh? Well, I'm gonna silicone it all together. Whoa. This is so dumb. This is trial number 1. All right, ready? Go. Okay. Now we get our silicone. We get our silicone, and we're gonna seal all that in there for next year. Yeah. We'll see you after the break.
Thumbnail right there.
I also just want to preface, I did not think of this myself. I did see this on Instagram. Shout out to whoever did that. I don't know. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. And Happy New Year.